kasi yung paborito ni Kat. And salamat po sa aking asawa, sa ever supportive.
Saan darating ang umaga, mga kaibigan? Asawa niya, ito.
Ayan, so while we are waiting for the sounds of Mom Gladys, we would like to acknowledge the guests that we have right now and the visitors, the judges, and the contestants.
At kasalukuyang partner na nilalaban ni Ma'am Mary Rose yung Golden Microphone, tama po ba?
Yes po. Actually, this coming 3rd week of August, babalik na po ako ng Manila to fight for the semifinals.
Semifinals. We're praying for you, Ma'am. Na sana this time, sa atin naman, sa iyo naman, Ma'am.
Yes, thank you po. Dedicated po sa ating barangay captain, Opo Luis.
Nakita ko nga, parang ayaw ko nakitang pababain, Ma'am Mary Rose. Ang galing-galing.